What's up, high levelers? It's Andrew, and in this video, I'm excited to show you our WordPress templates that we have right within GoHighLevel. This is a super exciting way to get a WordPress site up and running with just a few clicks, so let me show you how it works. In our sub account under Sites and WordPress, whenever we go to create a new site by clicking the Create Site button in the right-hand side and then subscribing to our WordPress plan to get one more WordPress site, we can go ahead and pay our fee and subscribe. And then after our payment's been processed, it will bring up this screen to create a new site, either from blank, from an existing site, or we can choose a template. So we're going to choose a template so I can show you the templates that we've got going. We can click Continue, and then it will show us the 6 templates that we have already. Now, I'm sure we're going to be getting more, but these are the ones we have right now, but they all look absolutely phenomenal. We currently have a fashion e-com store, a skin cleaner shop, a AC Care Solutions website, a dental care site, a marketing agency, and a daycare services site. We can preview each one of these with the blue box in the bottom right-hand corner of each one of these sites. For example, here is the dental clinic site. It's really clean, really good looking, and they are really great WordPress templates that we can build off of if we want to be using WordPress along with GoHighLevel. Once we've found one we want to use, let's go ahead and say the skin cleaner shop. We can click the template, give it a name. We can also go back and change our template right here if we want by clicking change. So we can go ahead and change it as many times as we would like, and our name will stick. We're going to go ahead and stick with that skin cleaner, and then we can click create. Once you do that, it's going to create our new WordPress site within the WordPress subsection of the site section inside of our sub account. Then you'll be able to see this little progress bar letting you know that the site is being created. And after it's done being created, it will load into your WordPress portal just like all of these other sites that you have purchased through GoHighLevel. And you'll get a confirmation once your WordPress site has been created, where you can access all things like staging, analytics, users, plugins, themes, and all of the other awesome settings that you get when using WordPress with GoHighLevel. This is super exciting, and I hope you found this helpful. But if you have any questions, leave a comment. As always, thank you for watching.